how to put your name on Subway Surfers. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open your gaming hub, and then you cannot actually directly change name or put your name on Subway Surfer. You have to do it using your gaming hub. So simply tap on your profile. Then you can sign in with your Google account if you want to put your Google name in it. So first simply sign in and then simply select all of these or your preferred options. And after that you can easily change your name. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.